It's we. She draws until her crayons break and her paper rips. Her pictures are like pieces of a dream.
Good.
I can draw.
Dreaming. Dreaming is the adjective of dream. Okay.
Dreams.
Dreaming picture. Okay, dreaming. Okay, it's kind of like a dream. Dreaming.
It's kind of like
what's that?
Rip.
What's that?
Cheer. Rip the page.
Okay, rip the page. Okay, what's that? Dreaming. Dreaming.
Dreamy. Spell dreamy. Adjective.
Okay.
Say.
Okay. Tend to dream instead of thinking. The old ones. Full of dreams. Okay.
Dreamy.
One.
Okay. Suggestive of dream.
Dreamy.
What's that?
Adjective.
Okay, can you spell it?
Dreamy. Dreamy.
Not necessarily. Okay, just dreaming. Just like a dream. Okay. A dreaming picture. Okay. I cannot draw the
dreamy pictures. I never remembered my dreams. Although I sometimes take
awaken.
Okay,
awaken is the verb awaken. Awaken. What's that?
Dreamy.
Awaken.
What's that? Stop sleeping. Wake up.
Okay.
To do with she usually awakens several times during the night.
Okay.
Awaken.
Okay, to wake up. Yeah, just wake. Awaken. Okay. Although I sometimes
awaken with my fists.
Yeah, cringe. What's that?
Awaken. He was awakened by a knock at the door.
Clench.
clench,
clench,
clench. Spell clench more.
Yes, bad.
C-L-E-N-C-H, clench.
Okay, clench.
Pull
What's that?
close
Tightly.
Shut,
clench,
catch,
clench,
catch,
clench,
catch, catch one's fist.
Like that. Clench. Okay, like that. Clench. Okay. I was awakened, although I sometimes awaken with my
Fists clenched and my heart
hammering.
hammering.
Okay. Hammer. Yeah, hammer usually like this. Here it used as a verb. What's that?
Clench,
clench,
clench one,
clench,
clench
clench,
two, clench one's fist. Look, look, look. Look.
hammer,
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 hammer.
Hammer usually used as a noun, but here it's a verb. Okay. Yeah.
Verb,
Okay. Yeah. I hammered.
I hammered the nails into the wall.
Okay, hammered.
Hammered is a back.
Okay, hammered.
hammer,
Hammer to
I think hammer here means the hard
Oh.
pumping.
pumping more. One more. Okay. Spell my
Yeah, here, right again. Like this. Look here.
to break every
Beat.
quickly, very quickly and
Forcefully.
forcefully. My heart was hammered.
Hammering.
My heart was hammering.
Okay, what's that?
Verb.
Okay. Okay. Although I sometimes awaken with my fist clenched and my heart.
Hammering.
Okay. Okay.
What does this simile?
Good.
Tell
Where's this?
you
Where's that simile?
the
The bolder word. Where's the simile? Where is it?
this
Where's the bolder word? Yeah. Okay.
like pieces of a dream.
Okay.
It suggests that her pictures are unusual. It suggests that her pictures are scary.
Yeah.
Do one
Which
more.
one?
More times.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your answer up there?
This one.
Okay. 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 Here.
After about an hour hike, we came to a place where the valley opened up into a vast
Fast means huge.
plain surrounded
Good.
by mountains. The area was almost entirely hidden beneath clouds of moist mist,
Yeah, mist. Fog.
which rode lazily
Yeah.
from one mountainside to another. Every over never allowing more than a small patch of ground to become
Visible. Visible means you can see it. Okay, visible. Visible. It's visible. It means things you can see. Okay, people can see it. Okay, that's visible. What's that?
Hammer.
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 Okay.
To my heart was hammering.
Good. Visible. Okay.
Visible.
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 Okay.
Unable to be
Seen. Okay. Able to be seen. People can see it. Okay. Can you spell it?
visible. Visible.
Spell again. No.
Visible.
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 Okay.
Stars visible to the weak
Naked.
eye.
Okay. The star in the sky, so people can see it without a telescope. Okay.
Visible.
Visible.
Okay. Visible. Okay. People can see it. Okay. Observable.
Observable.
So people can watch it. What's that?
Adjective.
Okay. Can spell it?
visible. Invisible.
What's that?
Visible.
Yeah, visible.
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 Okay. Okay. Never allow more than a small patch of ground to become
Visible. And at any one time.
okay.
What does this example of
Personification.
personification?
Actually, we should explain this word. Personification. Okay, basically describe an object as a person. Okay. What's that?
Visible.
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 Okay.
To see
The ship.
the ship was
Clearly.
clearly visible.
Okay.
Visible.
Visible. The ship was
Clearly.
clearly visible.
What's this?
Clean.
Clean. Clear.
Clear.
Okay. Okay. Clean. Clean the house. Clean. Okay. Clear. You can see it clearly. Spell it there. What's that?
Clean. Clear. Clean. Clear. Clean. Clear.
Okay.
The ship was
Clearly.
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 clean, 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 like